Step right this way to our cabaret. Don't wait to be invited. Just check your bloom. You'll all find room. Come in and get excited. Then shake your feet, sit down and eat corned beef or macaroni. Our food's well spiced, but when it's sliced, it's just a lot of baloney. Roast duck. Hey, beef stew. Make that two. Why don't you wake up and chop that steak up and... Hey!
And 1 cup of custard.
Plenty of mustard.
Change those potatoes to French fried tomatoes and...
Oh!
One roast lamb!
I want ham.
Wake up, ambitious. There's my pernicious. Mach schnell.
Here we come, mister. Right on the way. Nice hot roast duck with the gravy just oozing out.
I have to have lobster, but when I'm having my lobster, I have to have poo-poo-ba-doo-be-dow. I want to have my mountain, but when I'm having my mountain, I have to have you. I'm so blue, waiting for you to come. Oh, I can't go on like this. Give me a kiss and make poo-poo-ba-doo-ba-doo. I want to make one, and if I want to make one, I have to have poo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo, poo-poo-ba-doo-whoopee.
Da-da-da-da. Hey, where's my roast duck? Think I want to starve to death? You better give me something.